Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix sound not working or audio issues in Vampire the Masquerade Bloodlines 2 on PC. If you're not getting any sound from your speakers or headphones, follow these steps carefully. It only takes a few minutes. Let's get started. Solution 1. Open the Start menu and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Click on Hardware and Sound, then select Sound. In the list, find your speakers or headphones. Right-click on them and choose Set as Default Device. This ensures Windows uses the correct output device for the game. Solution 2. In the same sound window, right-click your audio device again and select Properties. Go to the Levels tab. Make sure the volume slider isn't set too low or muted. Click Apply and then OK. Solution 3. In your audio device's properties, go to the Advanced tab. Set the sample rate to 48,000 Hz, studio quality, or 44/100 Hz CD quality. Uncheck. Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Click Apply and then OK. This prevents the game or other apps from hijacking your sound output. Solution 4. Go to the Spatial Sound tab. From the drop-down, select Off. Press Apply and OK. Spatial sound can sometimes cause audio distortions or silence in certain games. Solution 5. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager, then open it. Expand audio inputs and outputs. Right-click your audio device and select Properties. Go to the Driver tab and click Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers and wait for Windows to find updates. Solution 6. Go back to Device Manager. Right-click your audio device again and select Update Driver. Choose Browse my computer for drivers. Then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your audio driver and click Next. Once it's done, restart your PC to apply the changes. Solution 7. Sometimes the issue is related to your GPU's built-in audio. Open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers and wait for the update. Solution 8. Open the Start menu and type NVIDIA App, then open it. Go to the Drivers tab. Click Check for updates. If a new update is available, download and install it. Once finished, restart your PC and launch Vampire the Masquerade Bloodlines 2 again, and that's it. You've successfully fixed your sound issues in Vampire the Masquerade Bloodlines 2 on PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know if it worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.